Locker 13744. Let's do this thing. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Cavaliers all the way down to the Madge. That is 5 times. I just don't get it. It's very brave. And save. It is. Oh, it's bloody nice. For the Philadelphia 76ers, Allen Iverson. It's spot 6 for the Sixers, Nick Rogers for Sick Nick. Nick is going to be stoked about that one. Beautiful AI jersey. Yeah, I won't take it out of its bag because it's a shit show to get back in, but there's the auto. You can look at the jersey when you receive it. Nick, congrats.